The single most important factor in getting the best payback period from a solar installation is maximising the surface area covered with photovoltaic cells on your roof. As I mentioned, the panels themselves are not the expensive part of the project. If you're getting 20 panels installed by themselves without a battery, then the panels will typically only account for about 20% of the total cost. If you're getting solar and battery together, then the panels would drop to about 10% of the overall cost. But the panels are the true money makers of the system. They're the components that generate electricity and save you money. So maximising your investment return from solar is all about covering the largest area possible with solar cells on the roofs that you're looking to put panels on. Now, covering the largest area doesn't necessarily mean fitting as many panels as possible. You may find that you can get a higher kilowatt peak from the roof by using a smaller number of larger panels, which increases generation while cutting costs. When Spirit Energy designs a solar system, one of the things we spend a lot of time on is working out how to get the highest kilowatt peak from the client's roof space. And we'll usually look at 3 different sizes of panel. Standard panels around 500 watts, larger panels around 540 watts, and then jumbo panels at 660 watts. Very often, by checking different panel configurations and different layouts, we can get a higher kilowatt peak out of the client's roof and therefore a better investment return. Jumbo panels are actually cheaper than standard ones and they require less mounting kit. So in many cases, they actually reduce the overall system cost while increasing generation. And check out our video on jumbo panels for 3 real examples of where they made a meaningful difference to the investment return. Even a 5 to 10% increase in system size makes a huge difference over 25 years and will save you a lot more than any additional upfront cost.